This is a look at my Kyoto Iceland freezer. You can see bits of rust on the side. Not so bad on the front, I think. Yeah, pretty good. The other side, not so bad. Perhaps some mare, possibly. But get to the top, and you can see it all. It's certainly some rust there. Quite an effort, really. I'm going to try and clean this up. Anything that improves it will be good. So that's the idea. And actually, there is some rust on the door just there. So a bit more. I'll do another video. That's Kyoto Iceland. You don't see many of those nowadays. You really don't. And we'll see how it looks after the